Hello, this is Harry Chittenden, and this is how to install Python-FSPS on a Linux PC. For those of you who don't know, this is a Python wrapper for Charlie Conroy's Fortran code for modelling stellar populations, based on isochrone tables, spectral libraries, dust attenuation models, etc. This is a very useful package for emulating observables for physical galaxy properties, like I do in my research. It's certainly problematic getting it installed, but once you have it, it's very easy to use, so let's get started. First thing to do is to apply the FSPS root directory, which I already have done by cloning the Git repository. I'm not going to run this again, but this is the first step. Next, ensuring first that we're using a bash shell, we need to declare the environment variable SPS home, which leads to the FSPS root directory. There are several ways in which one can modify the bash RC. Running this command in the bash shell is just one of them. Just echoing the variable to make sure this is right. So, I'm installing Anaconda on this computer because I run other Python libraries on here, which depend on different versions of numpy, scipy and other common packages, so I'd therefore recommend setting up a new Conda environment for FSPS. The installation script for Anaconda can be downloaded from this web address. Just click here. If you need another version for a different operating system, click here and it'll take you to the list of current installers. The x86 Linux installer is what we're using here. We just need to run the script in bash, accept the long list of terms and conditions, and follow the instructions, which are very easy to follow. As you can see, it creates a root directory for all of your Anaconda data. The installation can take time, so I would go and grab some coffee. Right, so we now have Anaconda installed in bash, so let's create our new environment for FSPS. We're going to install pip in this environment so that we can seamlessly install the necessary packages for FSPS. Again, this might be slow. Grab another coffee. After activating the environment, we're going to use pip to install everything we need. To save time, I've made this list into a text file which we can pass to pip. You'll find the contents of this text file in the video description. When this is finished running, Python-FSPS should be ready to go. Okay, so just one bug came about before I got here. Anaconda was now running on a new bash RC, so I had to redeclare the environment variable. If you're getting an error when importing FSPS, this could be why. I'm going to run this very basic code which makes a young, simple stellar population and plots its optical spectrum. You'll find the code in the description. This will take approximately 2 minutes. Et voila! If you're running my test code, you should be able to see this. So, job done. Hope this was useful to you, and have fun making some beautiful spectra.